Hey, how's it going? This is John Krause. If it's your first time, welcome for coming back. Thank you very much. I read this book in the last week, Convict Conditioning, recommended by Ryan on Mine Gym. Love the recommendation, love the channel, his channel, so check him out as well. And then also, this book is just philosophically so perfect for me, where I'm at in my life. And for those that don't know, if I can speak, I'm 53 years old, been a sports athlete through high school, through college, soccer, wrestling, track, MMA fighter in the Marine Corps, combat veteran, and in the last 7 years now I've been a climber, and just objectively it's been very helpful mentally. And really I got into climbing at the time for mental health. And at that time, my oldest daughter, in my first marriage, Jasmine, she's my climber. I got her into climbing so I could have father-daughter time. And then also, it's just been so philosophically so helpful for me all the way across the board. And then my youngest, Harmony, she's my figure skater, but due to a sesamoid bone injury, she never recovered, but I had her climb periodically as well. But holistically, for me, the Convict Conditioning resonates so well for me because it's bare bones essentials, shows some great history. I love the book, so I encourage you, as well as Ryan did, to check out the book. And I'm actually, it's my first time ever. I have a book tabbed. I'm going to use it, and I had my first session yesterday, and I'll show that after this. And I'm actually using it, and it's kind of cool. So definitely have a head start, probably athletically, in a lot of things, but I'm going to follow hardcore in what the book says and not to advance forward, because I think what I like the most about this is that wherever you are in life, again, I have a joint pain kind of combination of my weightlifting and so forth, but what I like about it is that wherever you are physically, you can heal your body, your joints, your tendons, your ligaments, and you just take it in progression. And from what I see, from my understanding, is that it's about a 12-month process, which is fine. And it's really about 2 or 3 sessions a week, max, and just using your body weight. And I love the whole process. And what I like about it is that it's very simple. And so just follow along with me week by week, see where I'm at, and then we'll see how it goes. And I just love the whole process of it. Again, I'm more of a mental focused type person. Actually, even ties indirectly to about one of my books that I just got this week as well. So in order to strengthen your body, you have to strengthen your mind. And again, as a combat veteran, a lot of things we struggle with are mental things that don't give its due attention, but you've got to have the knowledge and the power to use it to the perspective that you want. Again, you got to tie in the mind, body, and spirit. But again, the combat conditioning, I can't talk. The Convict Conditioning, I love it. So it's been a while since I've ever done that, and it's even bizarre. I actually have my own diary. I started doing the diary like it said to do. I've never done that. So changing behaviors, changing habits. It goes back to my first day yesterday. Simple things, nothing rocket science, but for me to do a diary, I've never done it. So I like the whole foundation, the principle, and I actually look forward to training. And for those who've seen my past climbing attempts at training, it's kind of half-assed, truthfully, how to do it, but I am like totally committed into this. I love the whole process. So come join me each week and let's see how I do. Again, follow along with me if you like. Make your own diary. I'm not going to do any copyright infringement issues with the book, but I encourage you to go get it. It's a valuable tool, and I am so looking forward to training. In addition to I believe it's going to help me in the climbing that's going to be coming up, and in the end, it's really about improving yourself. So like, subscribe, enjoy the quick little videos of yesterday, and then my first training day, or second day training day is tomorrow, and there's a little breakup in it, and the book recommends for the novice that it tells you to do it twice a week, but because I'm at I think a higher skill set of training and health, I'm going to do it 3 times a week, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we'll see how it goes. So thanks, see you next week.
the sun is on your shoulders. When you lie down and the moon bows in wonder. When you laugh, when you speak, when you sing, the earth will join with you. When you live, when you love, when you risk the world to fly above. When you rise up and the stars become your choir. When you look
The big takeaway from today was a good shoulder stretch and a good burn through my core and upper body. I was really pumped.
Holy cow.